your clips in. I'm not putting a water stop there because the reason why is I'm putting a water stop here. Why aren't I putting one there? Because water's going to go out there into that corner because there's no screen, so I want it to be able to flow back into the shower, and it will with the slope I've put on it. That is the reason why I'm not putting in a water stop there. I will be here, people. If you're wondering why. Ooh, saying, ooh, he's not putting in a water stop. That's the reason. Why isn't he putting in a water stop? He's stuffing it up. No, he's not. And that is the reason why I like it. I reckon it's, you know, there's a lot of couch potatoes that pick holes and that sort of thing, but you know, it's quite difficult being a YouTuber, I reckon, because there's a lot of eyes watching you all the time. If I put that wedge in there, I'm going to be sticking out too far. Okay. Where is my rubber hammer? There. I just need to give it a bit of guts. I like it nice to the feel, to these little suckers. It's these little suckers are better than your eyes sometimes. Because they feel. Which is very important. Just put a little bit along there. Well, there's a short one that I can use there. I'm just sorting out my wedges because some are just a smidge wider than others and they can be a bit of a pain. Don't worry if a little bit of glue squishes up. Right, is it good to the touch? Not yet. But it will. The reason why you see other tilers putting a clip in between is because they've cut it on a wet saw and they're making up that grout line because the blade takes away 1.5 mil. I cut mine on a Sigma cutter. And that's why I get a nice fine line, which I like. And then we have it, folks. Now I'll miter those, pop them in. I'll come across another one yet though, and we'll laughing. The only trouble with bathrooms now, now that I waterproof on top, I have the odd short day because once I lay this floor, I can't do anything more until until tomorrow morning. But then once I've done the floor, I'm set to go, and it's full on then. Up go my walls. I'll be going into that window, so I pick up, what do I need? 2, 4, 6, 8 lengths of black aluminium. I lay this tile a fair bit, and it looks really, really nice with black aluminium. But thanks for watching my channel, everyone. I'm out to grow it heaps and teach as many people as I can. This is only the beginning, they say. All right. I'll come back to you soon. I'll cut that waste in and we'll be up doing this next. See you soon.